lane positioning, defensive driving, expressway. I'm a state certified driving instructor, teach teens and adults. We have regulatory signs here. We have 3. We have to come up to the one on the right and stop. S-T-O-P. We want to stop for 3 seconds. We look left, right, and left. There's a truck coming. I already see it. Look where you want to go. Look into your turns. Signal in advance. This is an uncontrolled intersection. So I need to come up. The main road has the right of way. I'm looking, I'm checking. They're doing a U-turn, which is fine. I'm gonna wait for the intersection to clear. I'm gonna turn into the nearest lane that is to the left. Keep your turn short. Use the ball of your foot. Focus on lane positioning. You wanna look ahead. You wanna have 3 feet to the left of the curb, 3 feet to the right. We are in North America. Our steering wheel is on the left side. In other countries, it's on the right side. In the UK, right side. Australia, right side. India, right side. Use the lines on the dashboard to help you with lane positioning and visual judgment. We can turn on red, but we have to yield and look at traffic to the left. If you don't yield, you're going to get hit. This is called showing the car. We're in the outside lane, so we go all the way to the left. There's our green, we accelerate through, and we turn out slow. Lane positioning, yellow line, left side. White line, it's the right side of the road or the guide line or the edge line. I'm in the inside lane, I go up, I have a green, I'm looking through the turn. I will be to the left lane, but I need to get all the way over to the right. I accelerate through my turn, blinker, mirror, turn signal. I accelerate through and get over. We want to focus on good speed control. I'm at 46. I can't go into this right turn at 46, I will crash. Blinkers on, I look, I check, squeeze brakes. I'm gonna turn really easy. This is an expressway. There's an on-ramp, which we're on now. There's an off-ramp. It's a controlled access. I'm from the Midwest. Most of our roads have pavement markings and signs. Some of you are from different countries, you want to have this. Blinking blinker, I look over my shoulder, I merge out to the first lane. Lane positioning, to the left by the broken white. Lane positioning, to the right by the solid white. Focus on and watch how I drive, what I tell you, so you can learn how to drive. My mirrors are adjusted pretty good. Occasionally when you drive, the shaking of the car will move the mirror, so you might have to readjust. The wind is pushing the car to the left, so I'm trying to make a small steering adjustment. You can feel the wind blowing the car. I'm holding the car. The car is going pretty straight by itself. This car may not have lane keep assist, but your best lane keep is using this line to help you and using the solid white line. I'm in the slow lane. I want to change lanes to the left, so I have to look over my left shoulder, mirror, turn signal, blind spot, accelerate through your lane change. We have a semi truck, which we need here in North America. They carry goods around the world. So I'm gonna make a lane change to the right. I'm gonna look over my right shoulder, accelerate through the lane change. I can feel the wind really pushing the car. The semi truck has 4 blind spots: left side, right side, front, and back. We have broken white lines. This means we can change lanes, the right, middle, and left. I'm gonna make a lane change to the left. I'm looking over my left shoulder. I'm using this red line to help me. I use it as a reference point. Keep your car centered, stay relaxed. I'm gonna get back over. I need to look over my right shoulder. I guided my car. I'm gonna get off at this exit. Many of you in your countries don't have signs. These are guide signs and warning signs. Chevron alignment signs tell us the road is going to the right. I need to squeeze my brake. Solid white line, edge line. Solid yellow line, warning. I'm barely on the gas. I'm at about 37. I want to squeeze my brake. These 2 lanes are to the right only. You need to know what lane you need to go in. Turn signals on. I come up and I stop. Come to a complete stop. S-T-O-P. Now move forward. It's called showing the car and check. I'm clear. I go right into the first lane. Always turn in the nearest lane, L-A-N-E. Look ahead, use this reference line to help you in this reference line. Use the ball of your foot, squeeze your brakes, stop before the stop line. Red means stop. Green means look left and right. I want to maintain good speed control. I'm looking ahead around the curve. Use your vision. Teach your teen, your adult, or your beginning driver with anxiety to look. Want to maintain great speed. My passenger mirrors have adjustment, so I've adjusted it so I can see a little bit of the door handle, and then to my left. You need to make a lane change, mirror, turn signal, blind spot, accelerate through your lane change, cancel your blinker. If you're learning how to drive, you need to be watching this. If you're an adult, if you're a teen, if you're someone that has been through anxiety, trauma, you need to be subscribing to the channel because I'm giving you in-car driving lessons on what to do in lane positioning. I want to bring you value. Speed control is pretty nice at about 48. These tape marks really in a car do help. They help me teach you, so I need to get over 1 lane to the left. I look over my shoulder. I cancel my blinker. I have to make a left-hand turnaround. There's a lot of turns today. Blinkers on. Notice that truck ahead of us, their blinker's not on. And I'm using the ball of my foot. Real soft, real easy. I want to stay to the outside of the turn because I want to be auto over to the right. There's our green turning arrow. I look, I check, I go all the way over to the right. You can see the sign. You must teach and tell your student, your adult, your teen to read signs. I want to see the rear of the tires. You need to take pride in your driving, because if you teach someone a sloppy way, they're going to be a sloppy driver and they're going to have an accident, and then you will get blamed for that. The sign also says no turn on red. We cannot turn on red. This is a major area of failure. Failure. We do not want our beginning drivers to fail. We must teach them. Teach them. Them. I see the pedestrians to my left there too. We have a green light, but we still need to look. My blinker's on. Turn in the nearest lane and accelerate out. The curb is to the right. You see our reference line. The broken white line is to the left. Look ahead. Beginning drivers tend to look down. Three blinks of the blinker, that's all you're going to get. A lot of people don't use blinkers. Be a defensive driver. I want to squeeze my brakes.